Hello. I'm Scott. What's your name?
Hi, Scott, I'm Sean.
How are you, Sean?
I'm fine, thanks. And you?
I'm great, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from America. Where are you from, Scott?
I'm from Africa.
What do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I'm a student, too.
How old are you, Sean?
I'm 16 years old. How old are you, Scott?
I'm 15 years old, Sean. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too. See you later. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Hi, my name's Helen. What's your name?
My name's Rafiq Islam, but I'm called Rafi. You can call me Rafi. I'm studying economics in Rajshahi University. What about you?
I'm studying computer science here. By the way, where do you come from?
I come from Pabna. And you?
I'm from Bangla.
How long have you been in Rajshahi?
I've been from 2 years. And what about you?
Same to you. Do you live with your parents here?
No, I don't. I live with my elder brother Jassim.
How many siblings do you have?
I have one sibling. And what about you?
I have 3 siblings. I'm one of 3 siblings. Pleased to meet you, Helen.
Pleased to meet you,